Here's how to turn off online status on Facebook and Messenger. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can turn off online status on Facebook and Messenger. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first step is very simple. You just simply need to go to one of those apps for whatever you want to turn off. So firstly, I'm just going to turn it off for Facebook. It's pretty simple for Facebook. You just need to go to the app itself, and once you're inside app, just go ahead and press on menu right over here. Just go to menu. Once you're inside menu, just go ahead and press on this gear icon on the corner right next to search. And right over here, you can just scroll down till the bottom until you see the option of active status in the audience and visibility. Just go ahead and press on that and turn this setting off. Now, once you've turned this off, you're pretty much turned off your online status, and nobody can see you online now, and you're pretty much invisible. Now it's time for Facebook or Facebook Messenger. So just go to your Facebook Messenger app right over here, and once you're here, just go ahead and press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. And once here, just go ahead and press on settings on the gear icon, and here on the second you'll see active status. Just go ahead and press on that and simply turn that off as well. Now you're good to go, and this is pretty much it on how you can turn off online status on Facebook and Facebook Messenger. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next one. Goodbye.